Hello guys, check. Welcome back dum vlog na. Okay. Tâm dừng các cái thổ cái fresh mò hết nè guys. Cái đồng lao này sao lao không sụi in sụi lâu lại to na. Okay, tôi đi khu cho guồng rồi tập in. Chủ lên là guys tôi nha không kilo ninh hiểu lẽ. Lamtou cần gì lại. Traffic jam lạ na. Chị ba không kilo ninh. Chủ đi na, pile. Gặp bên tay ông đây, check. Yeah. Firstly, yeah. Firstly, you have to put in gear 1. After that, this is up place, how to get up in the up place, No. First go full class, get back, Then, if you leave the brake direct, vehicle will move back side, So suppose you have to do this one. You have to lift the class only slowly,
Okay.
If it's still moving right, still moving right, still moving now. So you have to keep in this in half class. See now it's stopping right.
Yeah.
So you just press accelerator a little bit because it is up place now. So like that. Let's see one more time. See.
Okay.
Now get one. Class little half class, Half class. It should be half class. Still moving now. Half class, see how it's working right. Half class stopping now. Because it is to in my area now.
Yep.
See, press half class. See now it's stopping now. Now it's stopping right.
Yeah.
So after that, press accelerator more. You go like this. Okay, to hai Lamtou kal je. Bas, stop. Come back. Don't go too far. To hai Lamtou kal je. Không kill tay na guys. Okay, chỗ đi. Em đi Lamtou hi koi ma dung Mizoram dung ako Lamtou hai kala hele kyung dung to leng hena te nung le leong gari ga amji hin hi aboy hi hai Lamtou ting le akinga ahon le kinung to lo direct kinga anu mo direct amasangna chi the nga chi ba ga bol hon hena tupi hi em đi le hoi hills area na thing tang area chang hiwen. Okay, come on. Chalo. Do half class and accelerator, Press accelerator a little bit more. No, it's coming back again. No, it's still not working. Yeah. Press accelerator more. Press accelerator more. Half class. No. Do it half class, Half class and then you are moving by gear 2, Keep in gear 1. So in up place you have to move by gear 1, Chalo, try it once again. Half flash and accelerator, Chalo. Press accelerator more. Yes, it's working. It was gear 2 san khun. Come on, back. Don't go too far. Come on. Yes. Okay, stop. Yeah, you go from there. Back to back. Press half class and press more accelerator. Okay, it's working. Go, press accelerator. Yes. Come on. Come back again. But Lamtou hi til na, guys. Iti anung nga kili sa alwa direct nga masang nga chi sa lam ti hale half class ako na ko ikoi tu teteng hon break tlaw le anung nga kinung to li lo tai na te hon extra nga ha chu thim ding im de Lamtou hi asna teng la anung nga ki to lo tai he nga leng to pai na chi day 2 chan hai tai la kini che Lamtou kal je khong khil on he to ha bol thei tai na tu ni le hin chu đi ba next time kan bol we na to kha ina het bom het tai tu ni rehearsal tam kan pui hin okay to he aban hi traffic jama na traffic jama king achia pa kong kil ki na. Okay, come on, try once more. Let's go next step. Okay, it's working. Come on, stop. Let's move on. Yeah, finally na. Come on, let's go next level. No, you go straight. Yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, you stop in that place, huh? Think that now we are in Kohima traffic jam, huh? Stop in that place and after that you move on, huh? Let's try. Okay, stop. Yes, put in gear 1. Yes, half class. Yeah, press accelerator more. Yeah, press more. Yeah, it's working now. So let's try one more time, huh? Reverse back it again. Hello, come on. Yes. Come on. Chalo. Okay, bus. Press extra, half class. Press extra more. Press extra. Yeah, slow. Finally we did it na.